Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to dive into another fascinating word with you today. Our word of the day is accomplishment. This is a C1 level noun, meaning it's ideal for advanced English learners who want to add some polish to their vocabulary. Accomplishment refers to something successfully completed or achieved. When we talk about an accomplishment, we're celebrating an achievement, something that took effort, skill, or perseverance to finish successfully. It's that satisfying moment when you complete a project, win an award, or reach a long-term goal. Now, let's explore a few synonyms that are similar in meaning to accomplishment. One synonym is achievement. For example, her graduation was a major achievement for the entire family. Another synonym is feat, which refers to a remarkable action or deed. You might say, climbing that mountain was quite a feat. And finally, there's success. For instance, completing this course with high marks is a real success. Each of these words gives us a slightly different way to recognize someone's hard work and dedication. On the other hand, some antonyms of accomplishment show a lack of achievement or the absence of completion. For example, failure. You could say, the project was considered a failure because it didn't meet the required standards. Another antonym is setback. Imagine this sentence. The injury was a setback to his training. And lastly, defeat. You might hear, their team's defeat in the final game was hard to accept. These words capture the contrast to accomplishment by focusing on challenges or obstacles rather than success. In everyday life, we often talk about accomplishments in casual conversations. You might hear someone say, finishing that novel was a huge accomplishment for me, or learning to speak English fluently is an incredible accomplishment. It's also common to celebrate accomplishments in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, you might discuss a recent accomplishment in a job interview to highlight your strengths. Or you could use it to encourage someone by saying, that's a fantastic accomplishment. You should be proud. Let's take a look at a few more sentences using accomplishment. Her ability to play the piano so well is a real accomplishment. Starting his own business was one of his greatest accomplishments. And completing a marathon is no small accomplishment. So, to wrap things up, we've learned that accomplishment is a powerful word that represents success and achievement. It's a fantastic way to describe reaching a goal or completing something significant. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please take a moment to subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Try using accomplishment in your own sentence and share it in the comments. We'd love to see how you're putting today's word into action. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.